Well, me father often told me when I was just a lad, a sailor's life is very hard, the food is always bad. But now I've joined the Navy, I'm aboard a man of war, and now I'm bound a sailor ain't a sailor anymore. Don't haul on the rope, don't climb up the mast, and if you see a sailing ship, it might be your last. Just get your civvies ready for another on ashore. A sailor ain't a sailor ain't a sailor anymore.
Let's learn the last shanty. It's choreographed by Gary O'Reilly. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, absolute beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the ending and then go through and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn the last shanty. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to start with right and left heels step together. So you're going to take your right heel, place it forward, step your right next to your left, place your left heel forward, and step your left next to your right. We're now going to walk forward, stepping right, left, right, and you're going to hit your left knee up. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to walk back, starting with our left foot, stepping back left, right, left, and you're going to touch your right next to your left. We're now going to step our right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right, step your left foot to the left side, touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our left hitch. You're walking back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a grapevine to the right, stepping right foot to the side, cross your left behind your right, right foot to the side, and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to do a grapevine quarter turn with the scuff, so we're going to step our left foot to the side, cross our right behind our left, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and then you're going to scuff your right heel on the ground. So let's try that with some counts, doing your grapevine to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We would have just finished our scuff. This scuff is going to bring us to a side stomp. So we're going to take our right foot, stomp it to the right side, and hold. You're going to stomp your left foot to the left side and hold. Right now, weight is on that left foot. We're now going to bump our hips, right, left, left. And that is the end of the dance. Your weight will be on your left foot, ready to start with your heels. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just come out of our scuff. You're stomping to the right. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready to start the next wall. So now let's face the front. We're going to do a 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weights on that left foot, starting with your heels. Heel, step together, walk right, left, hitch, walk back left, left, touch, right, side touch, grapevine, side, behind, side touch, grapevine, quarter turn with a scuff. Now you're stomp to the right, hold, stomp, left, hold, hips, right, left. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be wall 11, and you'll dance to 3 o'clock. So you'll be finishing the back wall, coming to 3 o'clock with your scuff, stomp, hold, hip. However, there is about 8 extra counts at the end of that wall before the song ends. So we're going to repeat those 8 counts a second time, but we're going to make a quarter turn to end facing 12 o'clock. So we would have finished our hips. Weight would be on your left foot. We're going to stomp to the right. So stomp, hold, stomp, left, hold. Now we're going to bump our hips right. And instead of bumping our hip to the left, you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. And that is how you will end the dance, facing the front. So let's do that with some counts just so you get an idea. We would have just finished our bumps. You're stomping to the right. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you'll end facing 12 o'clock. So now let's go around. We're going to do 4 walls. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're starting with our heels. Heels step together, walk right, left, hitch, walk back with a touch, side touch, grapevine to the right, grapevine quarter turn with a scuff. Now stomp to the right, stomp, hold, hips right, left, heels 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel step, walk right, left, hitch, walk back with a touch, side touch with the right and the left. Grapevine to the right, grapevine quarter turn to the left with a scuff. Stomp right, stomp left, hips, right, left, heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance, and you'll dance it all the way around until you do your ending to face the front. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below so you can skip to that rear demo and practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn the last shanty. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks,
Well,
guys.
my father often told me when I was just a lad, a sailor's life is very hard, the food is always bad. But now I've joined the Navy, I'm aboard a man of war, and now I'm bound a sailor ain't a sailor anymore. Don't haul on the rope, don't climb up the mast, and if you see a sailing ship, it might be your last. Just get your civvy ready for another on the shore. A sailor ain't a sailor anymore. Well, a keg of our mess, he said we had it soft.